So hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Today I have got the comparison of the two beauties which we unboxed like previously. I have two unboxing videos about these two webcams. So coming up, this on the right side is the Pro Live N1 Big Passport's 1080p 2MP HD web camera, and this is HP's W200 720p camera. I know there's not a comparison between a 720p camera and a 1080p camera, but we're gonna make sure that we get the most out of it. So this video is about comparison about these two cameras. So let's get started. So before we start our comparison, I'm gonna tell you the features we are gonna compare. So first of all, we are gonna compare the camera quality, of course, of this camera and this camera, and second we are gonna compare the camera quality in a low light condition, which we are going to compare next. And the third one, we are going to compare the HD microphones of both of the cameras. They are assumed to having a HD, and this has the noise reduction have a microphone, I suppose. So we are going to test that, and those are the three things. And of course, this is a 1080p and the 720p. There is no comparison in the resolution. These are three main key features if you're considering camera you have to check out. And also this has a big plus point because you get a tripod for it, tripod mount, so that you don't need to buy additional tripod, whereas you don't get a tripod for this. You're gonna hang up to your laptop's corner. That's a bit of a feature it lacks. So be sure to check out this. Click on the I button and check out the unboxing of both of these cameras. So let's get started.
This is the video quality you can expect if you're using the HP w200. This is what it is. This is the camera quality you would get if you use the Big Passport Pro Live N1. I think this is something amazing at this price point and this camera is offering. This is a clear picture, more better than the HP w200 one. Here is a side-by-side video of both the qualities of the camera so that you can easily decide which one to buy. I would recommend to buy the Big Passport Pro Live N1 for a better use. This is the footage sample from HP w200. I know these cameras are not built for low light, but this was an example if you wanted to ever know. This is the footage from Big Passport Pro Live N1. This performs well in low light. You can't expect so much from webcam, but this outlives all the webcams and does well in low light too. And here is a short comparison video of side by side of the both cameras in low light conditions. Hope you find it easier to compare between the both ones.
So this is the audio quality you would get if you use the HP w200 camera. Web camera, you cannot expect much in a web camera because it already has centered towards the camera and lens. It's usually named web camera, so you can't expect this much. So this is the audio from HP w200.
So the audio you are listening to now is from the Big Passport 1080p camera. It's, as usual I said, webcams don't come with a good mic as they are totally developed as a camera, so they are centrally focused towards camera and don't have much expectations toward the microphones. So better buy a microphone, lavalier microphone 800. I also got a review about a microphone Boya BYM1. Click on the I button and you can watch it right there. So after all this comparison, I would really like you to go with the Big Passport 1080p web camera because it also comes with a tripod. The tripod is very handy. When I fixed the HP w200 to my laptop, it was kind of wobbly. It took me time to set it up, like the real way to set it up. So I would definitely go with the Big Passport because if you are into the gaming or streaming service or the YouTube, so I will go with the Big Passport. Or you are with the online classes or business meeting, I would have gone with the HP w200. So this was the comparison test, and these were two unboxing videos right up on here. Click over here on the I button and you can watch both of the videos. Till now, if you have watching, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more updates on tech. Adios amigos. Let's meet until the next one.